All right, guys, you're welcome again to another session, another live session. You're welcome to the Era Traders FX. This is the Era Traders FX on your screen. Your name and where you're joining us from. We'll be doing a lot of pairs, and also we'll be doing the pairs that the guys on the Telegram voted for. So this is the Telegram channel, right? If you are not here, you need to be here. So the first pair that has the highest vote here is about 64%. So that's V75. But please, you can help me type them on the comment section. So these are the pairs that we'll strictly do, then we are done. So try and join the channel so that you can be getting updates. Like you can see, I dropped the setup, and other things, right? So join the channel so that you can be getting updates. So Boluwatibe, take one, V75, that's one, has the highest percent. The next one is 50%, V25. Are you taking notes? Boluwatibe. Okay, take. So V75 has the highest, that's one. Then V25, someone can type it on the comment section so that we'll fix our focus on this pairs. Then the next one, we have 242 here. So we have V75 1S and V10 1S, 42%. Then the next one that's the highest is 35%, which is V50 1S and V10. So type all these pairs out. We have V75, V25, V75 1S, V10 1S, V10, and what is the other one? V50 1S. So those are the pairs I will do. Okay. So think Boluwatibe is out. But no problem, I will. So the first pair is V75. Those of you on the group, please comment on the group that we are live so that other people can join us. Okay. Let's wait for them. All right, Boluwatibe, you are back. Other people can join us. Okay. Let's wait for them. So, Boluwatibe, you are in charge now. V75 first, that's what we're doing.
V75.
Yes, V75 first, that's what we're doing.
Okay. I'm coming.
V75. Yes. V75 first.
Okay. I'm coming.
V75. Yes. V75.
Can you see my screen, guys?
You can see your screen, but please, there's a background noise coming from your end. I don't know where that noise is coming from.
My screen, guys. But there's no. Let me.
Yes, you can see your screen.
But there's no. Let me.
Yes, you can see your screen.
So. But there's no. Let me. So. As you can see like this. As you can see like this.
Somebody said, are you rewatching on your system or your phone? That's what's causing this. Please, if you're watching on your phone,
Yes, I'm with my phone.
you can just off that one, then focus on the your system.
Okay, okay. Like this one go. Like this one go. As you can see right now here, we're in downtrend, right? So
Don't watch.
now they hear me. Now they boss. Okay. Let's mark the other. Go down to the 4 hour. Go down to 4 hour. Go down to the 4 hour time frame and find the recent break of structure to the downside and the recent order block that caused the break of structure. And we have the other block that caused the break of structure. So so we are going to shift it to the normal 2 hour. We'll go to the okay. We have to mark this zone too. Let's mark the 2 hours order blocks. The 2 hours order block. Market is already react. Give us break of structure. And we have break of structure to the downside. Remember, the market is bearish. So we have a break of structure, you see it clearly. And we have the other block that caused the break of structure. And to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, let's refine the order block from here to the 1 hour order block. And this is the 30-minute time frame. So refine our order block to this 30 minutes. Our order blocks already at the 30-minute time frame. So from there, we move to our entry. Although we have a break of structure here, but I think we'll be using it as liquidity. We have a break of structure here, but market is given for this one. So market may come here and sweep and use this as liquidity. Are you guys hearing me right? Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. But market may sweep it from here. But let's go down to the 15-minute time frame and see what the 15 my entry. That's what I take. That's where I take my entry. So I'll go to the 15-minute time frame now. As you can see now, this market is giving us double bottom. So we can't say this our other blocks because market may come here and sweep it. So we'll be using this as our liquidity. But for me right now, I think I will be using my I'll bring 25. Let me come down to the 15-minute time frame here. I've not set my fib level, so I want to use my fib level here so that I should go and test it back there. I've not set my fib. I think I'll set it later, right? The other block that caused the break of structure. I'll be using these other blocks. Let's refine it down to here, like here. So let's rally class. See there. That's left. That the market left. So the market needs to come back to the fair value gap and retrace it back down to the downside. So these are FVG. These are FVG. So these are FVG. These are FVG. These are our these are break of structure, BOS. And we have a break of structure here to the downside, right? This is our liquidity. We use this as our liquidity. This is the liquidity here. This is our liquidity. So for now, you know that this is the order block that we have been refining to the 2 hours order block down to the 15-minute order block. So I may be buying from here before the market gets here. So for us to buy, I think we'll be using confirmation entry here. Here we have a break of structure, right? We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. So, and this is the other block that to the downside. This is the last break of structure to the downside. So I'll be waiting for market to break, to give us change of character to the upside, right? Once the market come here and break, once the market comes here, I'm coming, guys. Once the market break, from here, once the market break, here to here, before we will now say we will be buying, we will be selling down. So if the market give us a break of structure here, then we'll mark the other block that caused the break of structure. Once we mark the other block that caused the break of structure, then market will use this as the entry before we start selling. You know, give us break of change of character to the upside, because we have this is the last break of structure to the downside. So market has to break this structure before market continue to the uptrend and come and tap into the POI. So once the market tap into the POI, I think we will be expecting sell to the downside once it gives us our confirmation entry. So once market start buying from here, once it gives us our break of structure, if market did not let her break this place, like the market is coming back to this POI. That's what I'm saying. So we'll be trying to look for a buy before the market gets to the upside here. So we'll start selling to the downside. You understand? Because the market, you remember, the market is bearish. The market is bearish. So we will not be buying against the trend, but we just want to risk this. Like we want to risk it. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me, guys?
I can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. So we'll just be we'll be scalping a small trade from here before we start buying. Before we start selling down. Once the market break this structure, so I'll be waiting. I'll mark the other block that caused this break of structure, of character. I'll be marking it, and the market will retrace back here, and the market will went here. If the market goes my way, you know that it's not my father that owns the market, so all of us are just predicting the market. You understand? So we are just like finding what's going to work.
This guy.
Market. Yes. So once the market retraces back to the other block that caused this break of structure, so we'll be looking for entry, looking for our confirmation entry, and we buy to this POI. So that's what I have for V75 right now. So we'll be selling. Like, let's put our.
All right. All right.
So I'll be doing like this. Okay.
Let me share my screen now. Let me do the next one. Finish. Let me
And we'll be targeting
finish
here.
yours. Okay.
This is what this is the BOS. BOS. So, guys, this is what I have for V75 right now.
All right. Who remembered last live I did whereby I was doing a flip? I told you guys about the sale for V75. Who remain on top of it? All right. I hope you guys can hear me. Those guys on YouTube, you're welcome to this session. Okay. First announcement I want to make is that I will not be going live again after this session. I will not be going live again directly on YouTube after this session for today. Subsequently, we'll be doing the Zoom meeting on the Telegram, whereby I'll send the link on the Telegram. And from there, we'll now do our live session. Then, if I want to upload it, I'll upload it. I might upload them the next day or even that same night if possible. But just to inform us, I won't be going live on YouTube directly anymore. What I'll do is to that's why you need to join the Telegram channel so that you can get the link for the um, for the Zoom meeting, the Zoom session. Then I can now upload into YouTube. So that's one important information. Okay, so right about now, go to our chat. So if I'll just do V75 again. Let me see what my bias is. Meanwhile, this is the Telegram channel. We had 76 subscribers. I had to kick off because there's no time, so we can maximize what we're doing. If you look at what we're doing here, we dropping setups here and all that. So do well to join in, and this is where I will be dropping the Zoom call meetings and all that from time to time and all that. So yeah. So now I'll be sharing my screen quickly. So this is V75. I believe you guys can see my screen. I believe. Okay, so now remember that we have been bearish from this level. I don't need to be going back there again to be saying that again at this level, because if you have been following us, you know that that level is where I have always been saying that we have been bearish from that level, right? So now, what happened that made me to sell off this pair from this zone that day? Price came into a fresh resistance level, which is here, that have not been tapped into. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Meanwhile, after price has given us a clear break of structure to the downside like this, if you look, that order block have not been used. I remember saying it on the last live that these levels, they will not hold. All these levels will not hold because one, price did not give us a clean break of structure to the down. This is something I've seen over time. Price did not give us a valid break of structure. It just wicked out. It's the TP from this sell that came from this resistance and dropped to that next level. And since it did not give us this break, I did not expect these levels to hold. I said it. Now I looked for a fresh level above, which I saw here. If you look, the other, if some people use this other block as a zone, they would have said, "Oh, it has been used. There's no need to come back." But the level is still a fresh level. Still a fresh level. Price has not tagged in. Price has not tapped in yet. So what happened? Price tapped in. What I did, I went down to the 1 hour time frame. So my projection is that price should drop till this level from what I was saying the last time on the live session, whereby I took that trade on the $2 account and all that. So now, where was my break of structure? I know some of you want to wait for this to happen, for this break to confirm your trade. That is just a waste of time. You will miss the trade. Since you've seen your clear level and you are seeing rejection, look for a valid break that happened, which is this. Price broke below this support level with the body of the candle. When price broke below, my next level I can see here. Meanwhile, these things I'm teaching you, if you don't practice them, you possibly don't understand. So when I saw this level here, I knew that this is where price was to come to. This is um the other block, right? You can use that level, or you use the closing price of this second as your level. Any of them will go. Now I saw that thing. That was why I was like, oh, let's sell. And those of you that sold from that time till now, you will still be in profit. You will still be in profit because our target have not been reached. That's why even though the buy might be there might be a minor buy to continue the sell, but this is where we are coming from. We have defined where we are coming from. Please, are you guys getting what I'm doing? Are you guys getting what I'm doing? Are you guys getting what I'm doing? Like I said, this will be the last live session directly to YouTube from now on. I'll be doing the live session on the Telegram on a Zoom call. Okay, so that's where I will be doing the live sessions. So do well to join the Telegram, and there you can ask your questions. You can, we can talk, we can relate. You understand? It's more, accessible. You understand? So that's where we are targeting from that level. And also, price gave us another entry again because from that level, although I broke even on this trade, but price came back to the break even. So there was this resistance level here that was not used. Price did not come back, but price later came back to that level. So this was another entry again. So this was like the second entry. The break of structure clearly on that level and dropped. So now, what are we expecting? I think Boluwatife, you sent something like this to the group. I think so. You sent something like this to the group where you hit TTP. Yeah. So those of you on the group, you would have definitely made money from this. So I'll just go to the daily time frame. Let me show you guys how I easily do it. If I want to look for continuation trades, I just look for levels that I know that price will come back to, right? Coming. Let me refresh my chart. Network is crazy. So for me, I don't think price, from experience, I don't think price will even want to give us another entry. I tell you the truth. Until it takes out this level, I don't think price will want to give us another entry. But what you can do, you can go down to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, if you can see, let me delete this. You know what that is. I've explained that. So on 15 minutes time frame, try and look for your setup on 15 minutes time frame. I don't really like doing this thing like this. But if you look, we could clearly see that there was a sweep of this eye here, break of structure. Because of time, I won't be marking it. Just look at what I'm doing. That level there, this is the liquidity for that level. So price might want to come back to that level, which I doubt. I tell you the truth, I doubt that level. I doubt that price will even give you another entry. That's daily for you. They want to push. They don't want to tag you in again. But that being said, we are bearish. We are bearish on this pair. If price wants to retrace, price should retrace into these levels, open close levels, daily levels like that. Mostly this one. I think this one is more preferable. That one above there. So if you check the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, you could clearly see that this structural liquidity is quite far from the zone, but that was what Boluwatife did basically. So that's still a nice one. So you can see that different kind of approach, but we still ended up getting similar thing. So even if price will go up, I'm telling you this truth is a truth. Price don't like the reef. But let's see, Sha. So just I will be taking a screenshot of this now. I'll post it on the group, on the Telegram group. The WhatsApp is still active, whereby others other of my team members drop setups and all that. Um, you will see that my bro from Cameroon have been dropping setups that have been going well. That's Rogan. Also Eliaza is also still there. So still active. We are still active on that level. So just stay tuned anywhere, just stay active. You understand? So that we can all get this thing together. So this is the view for V75. Okay, that's the view for V75. Um, okay, so the next one we'll be doing, we did V75 twice, which will not be doing that again. Now the next one, I think the next one on the Telegram that got the highest is around okay, V25. Okay, so we're doing V25 now. We're doing V25 now. Okay, please like the video. Please let's like the video. Let's like the video and share the video, and let's comment, ask your questions. If you're not getting what I'm doing, ask your questions. So V25 now. What do we have on V25? So on V25, if you look at what I'm seeing right here, so if you look at what I'm seeing right here, let me just go to the daily time frame. Basically, what I do, so that I want to just look at the overview. I don't want to, remember that. Let me clean my chart. There's a zone on the weekly that we're trying to sell from, right? But that's not our concern currently. That's not our concern. So let's just focus on what we have here. So clearly we saw a clean break of structure to the upside. Maybe I will do that some other time, maybe on the Zoom call. On Wednesday, we'll be having another live session. So stay active. Okay. So join the Telegram channel. That's where I'll be sending the stuff to. So now becomes our range. Now, where did this price push from? Where did this price? Let's try to get where price push from. Let's see. I'm not sure it's even entered that level. Okay, almost at that level, but it did not even tap it. So for me, this was where I was actually expecting price to at least come to before the buy should happen. So for me, this buy is just a trap, basically. I won't even lie. And now price is even reacting from this level right here. Okay, let me not do that. So let me just stick to, I like I have been telling the people on the Telegram that I'm working on something that when it's out, you guys, I'll give you guys, but not now. So this is basically the setup, like the overall like view that I have. Let me make this one tick so that you guys can see. So that's the overall view. We had a sweep of that level right here. We had a sweep of this level, and we had a break of structure to the upside. Please, are you guys still with me? Are you guys still following? Just comment on YouTube. Let me know if you guys are following. So now that's what we had, and this is what for me. I'm still bearish. I'm still I'm still expecting this to happen. Once this happens, then I'll push like this. This is what I'm expecting. You understand? This is what I'm expecting basically. But now, what can you do now at the current place of the market? Now, let me show you guys. Like I said, price reacted from somewhere around here. There's a level around there. Let me go to daily to mark it out so that you can. Okay. So price reacted from this level, gave rejection. Which when I'm done by next year, I will show you guys how to trade that style. But when I'm still testing it. I'm still building on it. So now let's see what can we see on this on what's happening currently. So we could see that there was a sweep of this high here, and there was a clean break of structure to the down. Now, this could be used as your structural liquidity, which price has taken out clearly, and this is your second break of structure, right? Now, this whole zone becomes your structural liquidity, and what this becomes your protected eye. Now, that's why I have. Now, let me go to 15 minutes time frame. I can clearly see that a sell is happening currently. If you know, you know, this is your structural liquidity. This is your sweep of the eye. This is your, so I'm giving out a signal now. So if you guys want to maximize, you can maximize your trade and all that. So this is what I have basically. The price is already pushing, but we're still early. So that's it on V25. It's going to drop. I'm not even joking. It's going to drop. See the way it's dropping. So any other contrary view on that? Any other contrary view on that? Any contrary view on that? If you have a contrary view, like I said, I'm still test running this strategy. See, don't worry, Sha. Let me not talk too much, so that you know, we'll not. It's not be like we're talking. We're just talking. What you need is just simple thing. Price comes into your level, you get a rejection. Don't worry. Let me not share it now. Next year, just stay with me. Next year, you guys will be seeing results by God's grace. So the next one we'll be doing, let me go to the Telegram. The next one we'll be doing quickly. There's V751S, there's V101S. V101S is my major pair, so I'll do that one first. You guys know the drill, right? So, like I said, we are targeting this. Take note of this trade currently. So we're going down. So that's that. V101S, my major pair. Currently, I'm even on a trade currently on the buy. So it's not like don't worry, I don't want to talk too much. But so now what's happening currently, what I have overall view. Remember, we still have our buyers. Our buyers have not changed. We have this level. We have this our zone. Also, if you want to subscribe for mentorship, you can DM me. I think after this last September, I don't think I'll even take any. It's not. I don't think I won't take any mentorship again, and I'll just focus on this my current students. Then I'll just know that that's what we're doing till next year. Next year, I'm logged in. I'm logged in seriously. So that's why I have overall view, right? But now, currently, what can we see? We could see a clean break of structure to the downside, right? And now we could see that this level is a fresh level that price have not used, right? Price have not tapped into. But now, this is an extra expo from what I'm doing, what I'm currently working on. Like I said, price might want to come into this level and use this our eye as liquidity. I'm just sharing some things now that you might be saying, I think this guy they do, but just relax. So that level, price might want to take it as liquidity because what we could see clearly was that price gave us a break of structure, first break of structure, then second break of structure again. Then now price just dropped without even coming back. So I'm just sharing what I'm cooking, but I'm not even going to share. I don't think only my team members will know what I'm doing. So now You can join me. Let me just share the trade that I'm on. You can join me, so it's not be like I'm eating alone. So this is the level that I'm using currently to take the buys. And I did not just buy, right? I did not just buy because I knew. See, we don't just react when the market. We wait to see what the market will do. You understand? So now, currently, if you look at this level, you see that market has not even given us a clean break of structure yet. I tell you the truth. So market has not given us a clean break of structure. If we add a clean break of structure to this level, let me just give an expo. Now, when price came into this, let me give an expo of what I'm doing. When price came into this resistance level, right? I go down to my 1 hour time frame. What I want to look out for on my 1 hour time frame is my resistance level or my rejection, or what's called rejection. And I saw a clean resistance level here. If you are not too sure about that your entry, you can wait. Go down to your 15 minutes time frame. I'm trying to make this things easy. That's what I'm trying to do. Go down to your 15 minutes time frame. What do you wait for? You wait for a break of a level to confirm, because some people will not want to enter from the resistance. They may still be afraid. Will this thing go? So after seeing this break, you can enter from your support that are not on resistance. Don't worry. I'm cooking something, but just know that I'm doing something. So that's it basically. But for now, this buy, where I'm targeting, I won't talk much about that. Where I'm targeting for this buy for now, first TP, second TP, because that level have not been used. Then the final TP, this is the third TP. Then the final TP will be around somewhere here. That's if price wants to now go back, which I believe that price will take out this level, because what I said previously, that price might want to come here. It looks strange, but that's what I'm having, right? So the sell that you guys are seeing on Telegram, let me even show you guys, so that this is a call to join the Telegram, because we're doing something crazy right there. So you could see the sales that we took. That's the sell. This was when I took the entry, right? Some of you were like, "Oh, what strategy did I use?" It's something I'm cooking. Don't worry. So just relax. So that's it. I don't have much to be saying too much, but just know that something is happening. So just join the Telegram channel, whereby if you want to join my mentorship for this thing I'm currently learning, I only give my team members. Then we launch it next year after I've perfected it well, and you know, I can even show you guys. I'll send the buys currently in profit of about let me check. Okay, it's around $5. Okay, those of you on the Telegram, you see it now. Coming. Let me share it so that it's something I'm still testing. I'm trying to perfect entries. Entries is key in trading. I've come to see that it's not. See, I've been trading for more than. Don't worry, I've been trading going to 5 years now, so I know what it means to get what sniper entry. In fact, some of you that know me over the years, you know that I love taking entries that are sharp. That's why I'm studying, I'm learning, so that I can. So this is the trade. So you can join me on the buy. The accent is good as the explanation. Okay, oh, yeah, that's the trade. Let me show you guys on YouTube, so that okay, I just sent it. You see, we're in profit of about $5. Can you see? So it's running. So join the Telegram. I tell you the truth, cooking something in there. So that's that. We're in profit on that one. And I tell you the truth, what I said might happen might, like I said, you don't trade the market like you own the market. You don't trade the market like you own the market. The market can't do anything. So you react to what you see. You react to what you see. You don't trade the market like, oh, now you get the market now. Don't worry, you go cry. So if you look, he also works on gold very well, but I don't have that time to show you some things. We'll still touch some things if we have time. So that's that. We've done that. Next, like I said, those of you just joining now, this is the last live we'll be doing on YouTube here. So do well to join the Telegram channel where I'll be sending Zoom links, where I will be doing Zoom sessions, because we want to stay logged in now. I might not even share some of this, I might not even share it on YouTube. So if you miss, no problem. I might even be sharing other videos, teaching videos, which will help everybody, but I might not go live and say, oh no. So stay logged in, stay with us in here so that we can focus and crack this code. Because once you can crack the chart, forget, money will come. So the next one after V10 1S is V75 1S. V75 1S kind of crazy now. I can't even go down to lower time frames like I can go to my higher time frame right now, you understand? But what I can see clearly on this 1 hour, I don't like just using 1 hour to just dictate my what I'm cooking. This is what I'm saying. Daily rejection. Don't worry. Something is cooking. But let me not say anything. So what I'm currently seeing, what I can give you is that price has given us a clean sweep of this high, right? When I'm done, if you want to learn, it's not free. It won't be free at all. So this is a sweep of the eye. So this is what I have O1C. Since when they look for O1C style. So that's what I have right here. So that's what I have right there. And this is the overview of what I have for this cell. So now we are not on the trade, right? So we need to look for entries. Let's see 15 minutes time frame. But the trade will be confirmed. Take note of what I'm saying. The trade will be confirmed if this level gets broken. If this level gets broken. Until this level break. If this level does not break, like your candle close below this level, once you don't see that, it's not confirmed yet. If it's now confirmed that it breaks, right? This level, this up level or this level is where price will come to. Now let's refine it using the 5 minutes and see if we'll see our pattern in it. So for me, I would love to use this one as liquidity. I would love to use this as liquidity. So for me, I'll go with this. If, like I said, if that zone does not break, no sell, no sell. I've said it. That's how you lose your trade and all that. So that's the first reaction. But if that zone breaks, that confirms it. But if it does not break, I assure you, this thing will go up. It will go up and take out your levels like this until this break of structure happen to the downside. So that's why I have basically, you can share this on the group. So this is why I have basically entry at around 3,305.8802, stop loss around 3. That's if this level breaks. I'm still emphasizing. So that's all for that. We'll be going next to the next one. The next one will be V50 sorry, all these V, they're not too many. V10 and V51S. So I'll do V51S. Some of you already know the bias for V10. If we're doing V10 again, then I don't think you have not been with us. So V51S, is what we can. Please, let's get to 100 tonight. If we can get to 100 tonight on the YouTube, on the Telegram, sorry, and also let's get to 1K on the YouTube channel so that we can push. So I remove this. Now let's see, what do we have? What can you see clearly? Price came from here previously. I think I shared this one of our sessions. So price came from there previously after coming from here. So you must understand that was the structural liquidity and all that. And from this target, from this level, we are targeting this level. So we have been bearish on this pair. And now what's happening currently? We had a clean break of structure to the down. You can join my mentorship, my September mentorship, $100. And also, I'm not even collecting instrumental payment again. If you want to join, you join. You pay, you join. Because some people are not even taking it for granted and all that. But that's how it is. So that's zone. Is now the second break. Then we can use this as it's quite far from this zone. Now really the dairy cooking chef. Okay, that trade is already in $7 profit. Let me show you guys. Don't worry, my team members, you guys will. I'll share it. Let's say I need like 2 months, 2 months to stay on it, cook on it, stay on it. Then I'll give it to you guys. Then we'll start. Some people will not be like, why are you guys not trading O1C pattern? It's still O1C, but it's just that this one now it opens your eyes to things. Opens your eyes to things. Please ask your questions. So we're almost done. We just have 1 or 2 pairs to go. We just have 1 or 2 pairs to go on we just have 1 or 2 pairs to go. So let me go to V10. If you don't know our bias for V10 by now, I don't think you have been with us, but no problem though. Remove. So this is what I even shared it to the group. So we have been bearish on this pair. See, no matter the strategy, let me just say this out there. No matter the strategy you use, take note, no matter, I'm not even joking, they give you holy grace strategy, or they call it bulldozer strategy, or they call it one thing strategy. No matter the strategy you use, if you're not patient, trading is, I don't even know how to say this thing, because even myself, I've cried. I know what I've seen. So this is the trade. Let me send it. First TP already hit on the trade. But let's go. Also, Volatility, I don't know if V25 has entered that zone or is moving according to the prediction. So let me just do this now. So that's what we have basically, and clearly we could see that our most recent break of structure. And also, please, let's be reacting on the group, on the Telegram. I will drop some things. People don't react. You guys don't react to stuffs. So try and react, so that I'll be, motivated to drop more things. I can even drop the strategy this year. So just be active. If many people request, I might drop it. I might. That's what I said. Might. So um that is our sweep of the eye. So this is what I have for V10. How many of you remember the last live session that I said that V10 will sell? Remember that from a place, I think around somewhere here, I said I wanted to come back, that it did not come back, that I told you guys that it will come back. It came back, dropped. You understand? So that's what we do here. So price is going to drop to take out that level. So this is what I have for V10. Boluwaju, you can see this is what I have for V10. My team members take note of that. Na really the dairy cooking chef. Please ask your questions. Let me do one last pair. I think V31S. I shared it to the group. I the group. Some of you will be like, "What did you see that made you to take the trade or that and all that?" You know. If you want to know how I used to do it, you can DM me one-on-one session. Or I'll teach you. But it's not free. Oh. Not free. You understand? I'm targeting this low. Basically, even one of my team members, Rogan, also sent a setup on that. No, I've closed my. Oh, somebody said I'm buying. You are buying and selling at the same time. I've closed my buys. I've closed my sales. I'm buying now. I'm buying now. I'm buying now. I've closed my sales. I'm buying. Daniel, you can testify now. You can attest to that. So this is what I have basically. This is what I have basically. So this is why, in fact, the setup that Rogan saw, let me show you guys. I sent that went through and all that. I don't even know where he saw that setup from. For me, I know I've been bearish, so that one not even. I don't even know where he saw the setup from, but I think around somewhere here. I can't find it now. I can't find it. I don't even know. But I'm bearish on this pair. So this will be the last pair I'll be doing tonight. I'll just take a few questions. You are laughing. You know now. You know it. You are laughing. Don't worry. Don't worry. You see the way Abby say unbelievers. Unbelievers will cry. Now so Abby broke TV. Ay God. God. Abby broke TV. But guy, if you make $1 million in less than 1 hour, wetin you want tell me again, guy? Do you understand? Please ask your questions. Let me take few questions. Like I said, next batch mentorship flyers will be out soon, or that September mentorship, $100. I even said it was $150 next September. That it will be $150. I think I'll leave it on $150 so that I think I'll leave it on $150. So let's comment now. Do you want $150 or $100? I'll just leave it for $100. This is the last mentorship that I will take, even this year or even next year. Next year I might not even do anything mentorship, or I'll just stay with my team and we'll be cooking, and also with the people that we also join this year too, be cooking with my mentees, be cooking. Then next year, if I'm led to share what I have with you guys, I'll just dish it out step by step. But it's something amazing. I'm not even going to lie. It's something that you will love to see. So ask your questions, ask your questions, ask your questions. Um, is it questions on mentorship, questions on the strategy, questions on anything? I will answer you. Okay. Please let's like the video. Let's like the video. Let's like the video. Don't worry, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Na food e go done soon. Please let's like the video. How many likes am I even seeing here? You guys should help the channel now. At least if that's what you can do for us. Let's get to 1K. Let's get to 1K. Nobody wants to ask question. Please, I have 13 persons here and I'm having 6 likes. Please now, you guys should like it now. Abi, you guys are not, it's not valuable. I'm not dishing value. If I'm not dishing value, I should go and be selling akara. Where is that? Okay, V25. We said I think this thing has dropped to Kai. Still dropping safe. Okay, re-entry can re-enter around somewhere here. I don't even like re-entry. If I miss setup, it's just crazy. If I miss setup, I don't like re-entry. And I'm not even trading all these pairs for now. Like you guys will see it on the Telegram now, what I said. So yeah. So, but this is going, I think this is one of the pairs we saw trade now, Abi. Then also the V10 one is that so that's the pair I trade. See, okay, price has not entered that level yet. Price has not entered the 1 hour level. But let me show you where price might likely react from to continue the buy. Price might likely react from here. This is a bullish engulf this place. So price might come back to this level and react because price has not reacted, did not enter into this level. So I'm still on this trade. If don't worry. So I'm expecting pullback from here. Once I see pullback, breaks this level, come back to this level. If it breaks this level, I come back to this level, break this level, I come back to this level, just like that. So yeah. Nobody's asking the question. Is that all we have for? We have 6 likes. We have 14. Please, can we just like the video? Just like the video. I don't think it will take anything from you to just like a video and maybe share. I'm not even saying share because some people might not still watch it. But if you gain value from this and you have any question, you can DM me personally. I will always answer your question. Anything bias, you don't know how to get bias, I can break it down for you. You don't know how to, I can. If I have time, I'll do that. But if you want to get my full attention, mentorship, that's what a mentor is. So we have 6 likes. Nobody wants to. Let's like the video now. Let's increase it. 7. And we are 14. Abi 14 people don't turn 7. Nobody wants to ask any question. I'm still using style to wait for your question. Or do you want me to do another pair? Do you want me to do another pair? Which pair should I do now? No, you guys are never answering me, sir. Which pair should I do now? If you want me to do another pair, which pair should I do? Oh, okay, that setup that I shared, that is, I think it's step 300, right? Step 300, if I'm not mistaken. Wow. Oh my God. This is the entry. Kai. You should be buying, you should be, hey God. Okay, so let me share the setup. That's the structural liquidity. This is the protected low. Then this is our sweep. Then we're coming all the way here. Now let's see the 1 hour time frame. Just I'm not trading this pair, if not. So this is a liquidity engineering clear. Let me remove that. So that's where price reacted from and pushed. So yeah, if you had entered, like when I shared it, I think I shared it here now. Shared it here. If you had even seen this, if you had seen this, no, this is not it. Sorry. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is it. If you had seen this, you would have entered the trade from that level. So I shared it. It's not like I did not share it. So that's why you need to join the Telegram so that you can push. Do step 100. All right, let me do step 100. That will be all for the session. After step 100, we're done. Step 100 have really been crazy lately. But then again, I'll just do it. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. Price is reacting from a level around somewhere here. Oh shit. Okay. Liquidity flip. That was a liquidity flip. So price reacting from that liquidity flip and price is going to drop to this level. So this is my overall bias. When I even joined synthetic goddess life, daily life stuff, someone shared this trade setup and it's doing well for days now. Shared it when it was around here. So that's what, see, nobody knows this thing finish. Oh. We guys join anywhere we go. We learn. We keep learning every day. You don't know everything. That's how trading is. You learn. So for now, I'm still bearish. It's still bearish, basically. Still bearish. If you can see or look for your sales pattern, that would be good. Please just like the video. If you can look for your sell pattern. This was the only sell pattern that we had quickly, and it has been dropping since then. So I don't really have anything to really share for now on this. So that's what I basically have for that. All right, so that will be all for today's session. I would love to stay longer, but you guys are not asking me questions, so I will just have to go. God bless you all. I pray that you have a successful trading week ahead. God bless you. See you on the next one. Thank you.